Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we dive into the most important trends in blockchain, decentralized finance, DeFi, and the future of institutional finance. Today, we're discussing one of the biggest players shaping the XRP ledger ecosystem, Axel. Axel is more than just another blockchain project. It's becoming essential to the infrastructure of XRP ledger, particularly in the context of institutional DeFi. So if you're excited to learn how Axel is opening up new possibilities for XRP and what this means for the future of DeFi, you're in the right place. Let's dive into Axel's role, its impact on DeFi, and the bigger picture for both XRP ledger and blockchain in general. Let's start with a bit of background on XRP ledger and how it initially functioned. XRP ledger, or XRPL, has traditionally been known for its fast, efficient transactions and a built-in decentralized exchange, DEX. Originally, XRP ledger's DEX relied on a conventional order book model, similar to what you'd find in traditional financial markets. In this setup, buyers and sellers manually place orders, waiting for matches to happen, and then transactions are settled based on those orders. While this model is reliable and familiar, it lacks the continuous, automated liquidity provided by automated market maker (AMM) protocols that we see in DeFi platforms today. This is where Axel comes in. Earlier this year, a post from Wrath of Conman highlighted Axel's integration into the XRP ledger ecosystem, specifically with the AMM protocol. An AMM, as many of you may know, is a decentralized exchange mechanism that uses liquidity pools and smart contracts to create a more fluid trading environment. Unlike order books, AMMs don't need manual matching. Instead, users can trade directly against liquidity pools, which are funded by other users who earn rewards for providing liquidity. This setup allows trading to happen 24/7 without intermediaries. So, the introduction of AMM functionality into XRP ledger by Axel marks a significant shift. It modernizes the way trading happens on the platform and aligns XRP ledger with some of the most advanced DeFi protocols out there. To put this into perspective, think about the benefits of AMMs over traditional order book systems. Traditional systems require users to match orders with one another, which can be slow and often requires specific market conditions to execute trades. AMMs solve this by using algorithms to ensure continuous liquidity. For example, if a trader wants to exchange XRP for another asset, they can do so instantly, trading directly against a liquidity pool rather than waiting for a matching order. This is a huge advantage for users because it provides instant, seamless access to liquidity, making trading faster and more efficient. Ripple has called this AMM protocol a foundational element for XRP ledger's future, especially as it attracts more institutional interest. Now, what does this mean for Ripple's overall vision for XRP ledger? Ripple envisions a comprehensive, institutional-grade DeFi marketplace built on XRP ledger, and Axel's role is pivotal in achieving this. Picture a scenario where the XRP ledger offers more than just currency transactions. Imagine a marketplace filled with diverse financial tools, liquidity pools, yield farming, and even tokenized real estate. Through tokenization, investors could own shares in real-world assets, like commercial buildings, and receive a share of the rental income. Think about owning a piece of a skyscraper and getting a portion of its income without the hassle of managing real estate. This could revolutionize how people invest, turning illiquid assets like real estate into accessible, tradable tokens. But bringing this vision to life isn't simple. It requires a set of advanced DeFi tools and, importantly, interoperability, meaning XRP ledger needs to connect seamlessly with other blockchain networks. Axel is providing this critical layer of interoperability, enabling XRP ledger to communicate with other blockchains and applications. Just recently, Ripple introduced an EVM-compatible sidechain, which is another major step towards interoperability. For those unfamiliar, EVM stands for Ethereum Virtual Machine, which is the environment where Ethereum smart contracts operate. By making XRP ledger compatible with EVM, Ripple is opening up XRP ledger to Ethereum's vast ecosystem of DeFi applications and assets. This EVM sidechain makes XRP ledger a more versatile platform, inviting developers and users from Ethereum's ecosystem to interact with XRP Ledger. So, where does Axel fit into this new setup? Axel serves as the digital bridge between the XRP Ledger mainnet and the EVM-compatible sidechain. Think of Axel as a core piece of infrastructure connecting different parts of the XRP ecosystem, allowing seamless data and transaction flow. For example, let's say a private institution wants a secure, dedicated environment to conduct transactions. They could use a sidechain custom built for them. Let's call it Institution X. Meanwhile, public-facing enterprises could use an EVM-compatible sidechain, allowing them to engage with both XRP Ledger and Ethereum applications. Axel's integration makes this communication possible, enhancing XRP Ledger's ability to cater to a wide range of users, from private institutions to public enterprises. Now, a key part of Ripple's strategy involves expanding XRP Ledger's DeFi capabilities to include lending through liquidity pools. For those new to this concept, liquidity pools allow users to deposit assets in exchange for interest or yield, effectively lending their holdings to others. Ripple envisions a future where users can lend XRP through these pools and earn a yield. However, Ripple is proceeding cautiously due to the current regulatory landscape. The regulatory framework around DeFi lending is still evolving, and Ripple is prioritizing compliance to ensure that these tools are safe and secure for users. This regulatory clarity will be essential for bringing in institutional capital, as institutions typically require strict regulatory compliance before entering new markets. Axel's partnerships are another factor driving its growth. Recently, Axel collaborated with Deutsche Bank, highlighting the importance of interoperability. Deutsche Bank emphasized something they call the butterfly effect of interoperability, where seamless connectivity leads to widespread adoption. With Axel's cross-chain capabilities, clients can access different products across chains without needing to worry about private key management or the technical barriers of cross-chain operations. This simplicity is crucial, especially for traditional financial institutions that want to enter the blockchain space without dealing with complex technical requirements. Project Guardian, for example, leverages Axel's interoperability to help financial institutions interact with blockchain-based finance. It lowers the barriers to entry, making it easier for institutions to access DeFi opportunities without diving deep into blockchain's technical complexities. This interoperability is vital for Ripple's larger vision of XRP Ledger as an institutional DeFi hub. By positioning Axel as a multi-chain distribution channel, Ripple is creating a pathway for tokenized real-world assets, RWAs, and yield-bearing stablecoins to flow into the XRP ecosystem. For those unfamiliar, RWAs refer to digital representations of real assets, like real estate or commodities, which can be traded on the blockchain. Through Axel, XRP Ledger can bring these tokenized assets into the DeFi space, giving investors unprecedented access to yield-generating opportunities and asset-backed investments. As this marketplace grows, early adopters will find an ecosystem filled with tools to diversify their portfolios and build wealth. This interoperability is vital for Ripple's larger vision of XRP Ledger as an institutional DeFi hub. By positioning Axel as a multi-chain distribution channel, Ripple is creating a pathway for tokenized real-world assets, RWAs, and yield-bearing stablecoins to flow into the XRP ecosystem. For those unfamiliar, RWAs refer to digital representations of real assets, like real estate or commodities, which can be traded on the blockchain. Through Axel, XRP Ledger can bring these tokenized assets into the DeFi space, giving investors unprecedented access to yield-generating opportunities and asset-backed investments. As this marketplace grows, early adopters will find an ecosystem filled with tools to diversify their portfolios and build wealth. However, achieving this vision also hinges on regulatory compliance, an area that Ripple and Axel are prioritizing. Ripple understands that large-scale financial participation won't happen without a clear regulatory framework. For example, institutional investors are often eager to enter blockchain markets, but they hesitate without established regulations that guarantee security and compliance. Ripple and Axel are actively working to align their offerings with evolving regulations. especially through projects like Project Guardian. This project serves as a testing ground to see how traditional assets and blockchain technology can coexist under regulatory oversight. With regulations in place, we're likely to see an influx of capital into XRP Ledger, transforming it into a central player in DeFi for institutional finance. To further support institutional use, Ripple is developing multi-purpose tokens specifically designed for RWAs. These tokens have embedded metadata that allows institutions to track and manage assets with precision. This metadata is crucial for regulatory compliance, as it can store information about ownership, restrictions, or other relevant details. Additionally, Ripple Custody offers a secure solution for institutions to hold assets on-chain, providing them with the peace of mind needed to engage in DeFi activities. By combining Axel's interoperability with Ripple's secure custody options, XRP Ledger becomes an ideal environment for institutional-grade asset management. Beyond these innovations, Ripple is investing heavily in the XRP Ledger ecosystem, from on-chain treasury holdings to advanced custody solutions. These investments are a clear signal of Ripple's long-term commitment to building a comprehensive DeFi marketplace. Yet, as always, the need for regulatory clarity remains. Regulatory frameworks are essential to unlocking the full potential of blockchain technology in the finance sector. Once regulations are fully in place, the DeFi market could see exponential growth, driven by institutional capital inflows that would elevate the entire ecosystem. So, what does the future look like for the XRP Ledger and Axel? We are witnessing a historic moment for DeFi. Institutional DeFi is no longer just a concept, it's evolving into a reality. And those who recognize its potential stand to benefit greatly. Axel is creating a bridge between traditional finance and decentralized technology, helping institutions gain exposure to blockchain without the complexities. In the coming years, we can expect XRP Ledger to become a hub for institutional DeFi, offering a diverse set of tools that cater to both individual and institutional investors. For XRP Ledger to succeed, it needs this blend of advanced DeFi tools, regulatory clarity, and secure custody solutions. Axel is helping to make this vision possible, creating an infrastructure that connects XRP Ledger with other ecosystems, adding interoperability, and supporting the flow of tokenized assets into DeFi. Ripple and Axel's combined efforts make XRP Ledger an incredibly promising environment for the next generation of finance. If you're an early adopter, this could be one of the most exciting times to get involved. As XRP Ledger grows and matures, those who participate in this ecosystem stand to benefit from yield-generating opportunities, diversified investments, and an entirely new way to think about finance. The future of institutional DeFi is unfolding, and XRP Ledger, with Axel's support, is positioned to be at the forefront. Thank you so much for tuning in to this deep dive on Axel, XRP Ledger, and the future of institutional DeFi. I hope you found this video insightful. If you enjoyed the content, please remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on future updates. And for more discussions, insights, and community engagement, follow me on Twitter and join our free Discord through the link in the description below. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.